All right, so this week we got a lot of updates on the inside of the house and the outside. So we're gonna start here in the front. We have the tile up, or the stone up on these columns, both of them. Looks really good. You can go inside and you'll notice we're getting carpet laid. So I'm not going to walk in the room on that carpet because it doesn't look like it's secure quite yet. Move down here, around the corner. Same thing in the Harry Potter closet. We've got carpet all the way around. Again, not secured, not walking in there. In the laundry room, nothing new. Nothing new at all here. Nothing new on the bench in the garage. Nothing new in the garage either. Nope, everything looks pretty normal here. So we're gonna go in. Sorry about all the light adjustments. So in here in the powder room, nothing new except the lighting fixture. Look at that sucker, that's awesome. Come out here to the kitchen. And in the kitchen, I don't believe we've made any adjustments here. So we'll just do a slow pan across the room. Okay. Nothing new in here in the closet. And just do a walk around there. And we'll go out back here in a few minutes. I'll walk around in this video or another one, but the pillars out there are new and they have finally paved the road. So that happened this week. Okay, into the master. I'm gonna walk on this one just so we can get into the closet, but the carpet's been totally laid. And if I get into this back corner, look up at the fan. Okay, and into the bathroom we go. Obviously from last week we got all this in, and then we've got this dark tile work I wanted to get. Trying to get the best lighting we can here so you can really see. It's just really, really dark. But it looks awesome. We're just gonna do a circle on the bath and the shower here. Again, we just have a tile all the way up, all the way down. And a little stool, and then the pan. Looks awesome. Master closet, we have carpet down. Nothing else new and exciting there. It's all the same stuff. And then the tile goes all the way into this master toilet room. And we're gonna go out. Okay. Stairs are fully carpeted. I'm gonna give you a little view. You have a visitor on top of your house right there. Look at that. Got the fan up. Same dark tile, and then we've got the quartz countertops all the way through. Coming on in here. And then we've got, couldn't get in here last week. into this bedroom. Kind of pan this way. Get a nice shot from the corner. You can tell out the window they're getting ready to build those ones over there. This bedroom. And we'll kind of spy on your neighbors for a second out there with the dogs. And then we'll pan around to this side. Okay, so that's going to be it for the inside of the house. I'll walk over to our favorite window to end it. And then we'll pick back up on the outside and I'll just pan around the house. Thanks for watching, guys.